Hi kids, we are going on a dinosaur adventure. We will see a lot of dinosaurs, baby dinosaurs and eggs. And remember, always watch your back. Look at the sign. We will see some of these dinosaurs. Diplodocus, T-Rex, Dilophosaurus, Pterodactyl, Plesiosaur, baby dinosaurs, Velociraptor. Let's start the adventure. Look, a Diplodocus.
Wow!
Look at the baby raptor eating apples. The Velociraptor. Wow, a Plesiosaur. Dilophosaurus. Watch out, there's a pterodactyl. So many baby dinosaur eggs. A T-Rex. Now follow me to the next adventure. We are going on a dino trail.
Where are the baby dinosaurs? Look at the apples. Do you find all the baby dinosaurs? Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.